go.
Hi, I'm Francesca and I'm an occupational therapist, and this is my daughter Estella. How old are you, Estella? She's 2 years old, and she's the perfect age to talk about what's expected of pre-writing skills for ages 24 to 30 months. Now, what we need to do is make sure that imitation is expected between 24 to 30 months of age, horizontal and vertical strokes. So we are going to take turns with imitating horizontal and vertical strokes. You ready to get your marker out? And Estella is a lefty, so she does really well holding her marker, and we like to use big, fat, dry erase markers to help with promoting a very good grip. Of course, baby. So, hold on to your marker and watch mommy. Ready, set, zoom.
Zoom.
Good job, zoom.
Zoom.
One more time, zoom.
Zoom.
And that's how we do vertical strokes. And now we're gonna go zoom across.
Zoom.
One more time, zoom.
Zoom.
Nice work. And then what about around and around and around and around? Circular scribbles are also the next step of making sure that kids are getting into those developmental milestones of doing a circle, then a cross, and then a square and a triangle. But start here and you'll be setting up for success. Thank you.
Thank you.